I'm Tyler. And this is a Red Ryder 55mm BB gun. Metal BBs, metallic BBs. You can hear them in there. And my friend Mitchell, he is going to shoot me in the leg.
I'm going to get some practice and shoot that basketball. Did you hear that? Hear that ping? I hit it. Okay, I'm going to shoot you right in the leg.
Right here, right on my knee.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Jeez. Holy crap!
Oh my god. Oh. You okay? Do you need some ice?
I'm not doing that again.
You should. That'd be fun.
Don't do that anywhere.
No.
Oh, don't.
Angie, don't shoot me. No.